Okay, I'm going to talk everything about those students who are planning to prepare for GATE Aerospace 2023. Right now, we are under preparation of 2022. Within, I think today, what is the date? I think 15th or 16th. Today is 17th Jan. So just after 17th, I mean, whatever time is remaining on 13th Feb, we have our main exam. Currently, we are going through test series and discussion and remaining. So this video is only dedicated for those students who are planning to prepare for 2023. So in 2023 preparation, we are remaining with, if I will count from 13th Feb, our 2022 GATE exam gets over. Then from 13th Feb, every year our GATE aerospace exam used to happen in the first week of Feb month or in the second week of the Feb month. So this is what from the previous several years we are following. I mean, they are following the exam date. So if you consider that if you have your GATE preparation, GATE exam next year in 2023 in Feb first week, then already we have less than 1 year. Some days are less in that. So see, first thing, I will categorize types of students preparing for GATE exam 2023. So this video is especially for those students who are totally dedicated for 2023, because according to my as per my classification, we have three types of students. So first student who is totally dedicated and ready to invest one complete year for GATE aerospace preparation, and despite of all types of ups and downs of his or her life, he is or she is going to continue preparation at any cost with full dedication. Now second type of students are confused students. Confused means entire year the second thought will be running in their mind. Second thought means, what if gate will we can't crack gate, what if we can't crack gate, what if we can't crack gate. They may be planning some job or something aspects, they will be running in their mind, like, okay, target for this job, and meanwhile some time I will be giving for GATE exam. Or there will be some types of students, they are already doing job, and they will be thinking that, okay, let's switch to GATE preparation as well. And third type of student, so second type you understood, job oriented or into job, those people will be having second mindset or second option GATE, or they will be planning as second option, but second level students are not as dedicated, or because of time they cannot assign that much time for the GATE preparation as per the first category students, like solely they want to prepare for GATE exam. Now students preparing for student are in second year, third year, final year, or pass out, they all can prepare for GATE 2023, but only third year students and final year students and pass out students can attempt 2023. Second year students cannot attempt 2023, but see, actually, as early as possible you should start your GATE preparation. So this video I am going to talk about those students who are preparing only for 1 year. So minimum requirement for the preparation is 2 years. Minimum requirement for the preparation is 2 years. Many students, they have not prepared, but now because do or die situation, they don't have anything planned, now they cannot give 2 years, so somehow they have to complete in 1 year preparation. See guys, if you see the rank list, if you see how students are not getting good marks, so many factors are there, so many factors. They are not good in basics, they are somehow they are going through previous year question paper, and then they are attempting the GATE exam, and like they are struggling a lot. So this video will give you complete idea, everything, all the mistakes and all the important points what we have to consider for 2023 preparation. So first thing, whatever type of student you are, you should not start your preparation in wrong time. Wrong time means, if you are starting your preparation in April month or May month, then definitely you are going to lose proper preparation. The right month to start GATE is 12th Feb. If you are very new to my channel, you should know that I have qualified GATE exam 5 times, and I know all the ups and downs from last several years, 8 plus years, 6 plus years, 7 plus years. I am teaching aerospace engineers for GATE preparation, especially dedicated coaching center I am running, and my students are sitting into IIT. Just go to the description, you will have all the playlist. One thing, I can suggest you much better than someone else, because I am fully into the GATE aerospace academics. Several years I have given for my degree. After that, several years I have given for my own preparation. After that, from last several years, I am teaching for GATE aerospace students, and I have given amazing rank as well. And I am going through different types of students and their personal life, their feedbacks, their failure theories, their success stories. all things I know and I have seen from very personal level. So all these things I will put into this video. Maybe this video may take some 20 minutes or 30 minutes long time, but if you have sufficient time, or you just watch this video later for the detailed information, because this video may change your life in some aspects of GATE preparation for sure, definitely, and very genuine informations I will put here. Now come to the point one, when to start GATE preparation and who can start GATE preparation. So who can start GATE preparation? Whoever is willing to prepare GATE exam, for sure only they should start GATE preparation. Otherwise, if you will be having second mindset, then this exam preparation will disturb you, or your primary goals will disturb your GATE preparation. So first filter this. What kind of student should prepare for GATE exam, should start for GATE preparation? Who has clear mindset that I want to prepare for GATE exam because I want to do master degree or PhD. That's all. So one thing filtered, what kind of student I want for GATE preparation. One more thing. This video has no intention that you should enroll only in my coaching center. I will be happy and I will give you the best teaching if you are coming into my coaching center. You have so many coaching centers available in India, 3-4 coaching center, 4-5 coaching center, they all are working, and you can inquire everywhere. And I will tell you that if you are coming to my thing, I promise you, and I will guide, like you can see. Okay, forget about those things where you are going. Come to this point. Okay. Now, the second point, what is the right time to start? Right time is Feb month, because actually 1 year itself is not enough sufficient. Again, I am telling, whenever you are preparing for GATE exam or any kind of entrance exam, you should not watch, or you should not hear some specific stories. You should aware of the general data, what's happening on average, what kind of students are scoring, how the preparation is going. Because mostly what happens, student will see or student will watch some toppers video and some toppers advice. They will not even talk to some average level students. Even though if you are very smart and very powerful student, but you should not behave like you are of that level. You should bring yourself to average level. Definitely in background you are very smart, but you should prepare like an average student. Okay, and you should judge the preparation and the background of preparation and the stories of preparation on average level, not on the level of toppers. First ranker is what saying, second ranker is what saying, third ranker, fourth ranker, top 10 is what saying, different, like my topper is what saying. You should not bother about their success stories, because toppers are of different brain. I believe toppers are of different brain. Of course, we can consider the top 5 students, top 10 students of every year. They used to be extra smart because from childhood, it's not like they have improved themselves in last 1 year of preparation. Okay, they have natural tendency to actually they are the tendency is inbuilt. Everyone is not having that mindset, that capability of being topper, but sometimes the hard work and the passionate work can break this rule. You can be a topper even though if you are an average student. So I am talking about that point. If you are an average student, then you should prepare in what way, what should be your routine, what are the things you should do. Okay, so first thing, you should start in Feb month. We are starting on 15th Feb. Every year we start on 15th Feb. So 15th Feb 2022, we are starting our preparation for 2023 GATE exam. Okay, and all the course details I will give in description. If you are interested in my coaching center, you go through that and you go to the 2023 admission courses details, everything, all the videos and other playlists are also there. It will help you a lot, so that you can analyze like what is your level and what kind of course you want to tackle, and then you contact me on my WhatsApp and we will talk in detail if you will be having any kind of trouble. Now one thing, what kind of student you are, you have to decide. I will tell you, even though if you are an average student, you can crack GATE exam, but you need complete 1 year of full dedication, like you are under training, like government is giving training for soldiers. I will give you training of that level every single day. Now see, it is one thing is very clear. When to start? Feb month 15th we are starting. You should not delay if you are planning for GATE exam. Now point, what if you are not deciding that you have to prepare GATE exam, but during the year after May month, during June month or something, you are planning, okay, I have to prepare for GATE exam, then I should join any coaching center. You see, you will be in the biggest trouble, because any coaching center, either me or any other coaching center, they will not lose money. They will not lose money in the sense, if you are coming to me in July month and I know that you are going to give me some 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, some bulk amount of money, and you don't have any other option, you will be running for some, you will be rushing for some coaching center, that okay, no, now I have to prepare, without coaching center I cannot prepare. In that case, what will you do? You don't have any other choice. Then what will you think? You will think like this mindset, I know, I have done that. Even I used to be student before few years, before few years. I know the mindset, I know the psychology behind this. You will be thinking, okay, now I don't have some other choice, I have to join coaching. So if you have to join coaching, why are you not joining coaching on time? If you have, if you think that you don't have money problem, or that money what you are going to pay in any coaching center, that is not going to affect your family economy a lot, then you should definitely join coaching center. But if you are putting yourself into self-study preparation, then always remember, specific stories are specific. Some 1 or 2 or 3 student or 10 students are cracking GATE exam because of self-study. You check your top 100 rank. In top 100 rank, how many people are coming from? And one more thing, if you are in general category, you should know on what rank you are going to get IIT. You must be in double digit rank, then only you will be into IIT. Otherwise, there is very rare chance that in 3 digit rank you will be in IIT. There is no chance. Maybe 100 or 120 or 130 rank, there is chance that you may get some good IIT, but no, you have to be in double digit rank, then only you'll be getting some IIT Madras, ISC and IIT Bombay, some good IITs I'm talking. Okay, now next point. When you are preparing the GATE exam, so one thing is done, you should prepare GATE exam, you should join in Feb month. If you're not joining in Feb month, if you're being late, then you will be in so much trouble. I am a coaching center, I am an institute. If any student is coming to me in December month also, if you are joining me just before 2 months also, sir, I want to prepare for 2022, sir, I will give you some money, then what will I say? I will say that it's, if you are capable of GATE exam, if you are capable of completing the syllabus, okay, you pay the money, you take my course and start preparation. You don't have choice. You don't have choice. Very late you have decided. Then what will you do? Okay, sir, no problem, sir, can you make some fees concession? Okay, we will do some business and you will start preparation. This is not the way. You are only going to give benefit to me. And what will be my intention in the last thing? Very clear intention. This is the person who is not bothering about his career or her career, and in the last, this person is deciding to clear GATE exam. What kind of seriousness you are showing when you are joining coaching center in August month or October month or something else? You are only going to give benefit to the coaching center. You are not going to give benefit to yourself. So if you are in, either you don't join coaching center at all whole year, or because see, I know that any coaching center you join, you need complete 1 year of full dedication, and that dedication, I will tell you, just let the video go slowly, you will come to know that in 1 year also it is difficult to prepare GATE exam properly. I will tell you why. See, being an Indian, we have so many festivals on the way of different religions, so many festivals, and we used to participate in almost all types of, for example, being an Hindu, I will celebrate all Hindu festivals, and because my friends are of in all the religions, so I will also celebrate and I will also enjoy their festivals. I should not say their festivals or my festivals, I should say this Indian festivals. So now you count, some 4-5 festivals are there where those festivals are celebrated by entire India. Holi, Diwali, Eid, Bakrid, and then we come to our 1st Jan, we used to celebrate, like all these things, and these are the festivals what all India is celebrating. Other than that, you have your friend's birthday, your girlfriend's birthday, your boyfriend's birthday, your own birthday, parents' anniversary, like there are so many things. And I am telling you very strictly, if you are preparing for 2023, you should not celebrate any single festival for any 1 hour. I will tell you, the moment you decide that you have to prepare for GATE exam, you need a separate room with your separate laptop or phone or your device, whatever. Okay, you need a separate room. The moment you are deciding that you need to prepare for GATE exam, before paying the fees to the coaching center, you should have your own personal room. Before going to the coaching center, you should decide that other than coaching center, what is the time what you are going to assign yourself every day, whether you take oxygen every day or not, but you have to study every day at any cost. And if you are into my coaching center, you have to follow very hard and fast rule. And if you are not going to follow hard and fast rule, then see, there are so many students, they prepare for GATE exam but they don't qualify GATE exam. Okay, in my coaching center also, this year also, I may sound rude, but this is true, many students, they will not qualify GATE exam. But at the same time, many students, they will be in top 100. This is also my guarantee. So you understand all the points you take down. Take some rough page or something, or in your phone you take down. First point, start in Feb month at any cost. If you have money problem, talk to me, sir, I have this money problem, I will submit this money now and this money later, something, we will work on that, no problem. But time, what you will lose, that time will not come again. If you are dedicated for GATE exam, then only you prepare for GATE exam. Either or else you are going to keep yourself in the dark or your parents in the dark. But because, see, understand, if you are starting GATE exam preparation for 3-4 months in the last, like July month, September, October, like that time, then your expectations will be more and more and more and more, and you are going to put more and more inputs also from your side, but that is out of routine. So now you know what will happen. You don't know a particular concept you are able to understand or not. You don't know what your preparation is going to be successful or not. You don't know your rank, you don't know anything. But if you are preparing from the Feb month, then slowly, every topic, every subject you will complete with me. I will teach you in detail, basic. If you will give me sufficient time, then only I can go into detail. If you are joining me in October month or July month, you should know the length of the syllabus. People say that UPSC preparation also takes minimum 9 months to complete the syllabus. As per my experience, GATE preparation takes 2 years to complete preparation very well, because you need time to prepare all your basics. If you are sitting into IIT and NIT or some government college of engineering and you are watching my video, then you know that how much basic physics we should understand, how much basic mathematics we should understand, right? And after that, to complete our GATE aerospace syllabus, again we have two giant preparations, two giant subjects, structure and propulsion. Propulsion contains the theory for thermodynamics, gas dynamics, and after that, core of propulsion, several types of engines. And knowing something is not a big deal. Within 2 months you can know everything, and you can say my preparation is done. What about practice? What about test series? December month and January month, these 2 months we will be solving full length test series. December month and January month, completely 30 test series we have to solve this year for 2022. My 2022 batch students, they are solving 15 full length test series and more than 270 topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise test series. Get my point. My 2022 students, they are solving 270 plus 270 plus topic wise, chapter wise, and subject wise test series. Other than that, additionally they are solving 15 full length test series. Now because every year I am improving in my coaching center, every day I am improving with my syllabus, every year I am getting very good students. So, and every year I am putting lot of hard work, because I am totally dedicated for GATE aerospace exam. So I can claim that I am best for aerospace preparation for GATE. Now understand one thing, when you are solving 30 full length test series, then what should be the right time? December and January month. These 2 months are best to solve full length test series. In December, on alternate days, 15 test series. In January, on alternate days, 15 full length test series. And after every full length test series, we will be having complete detailed discussion on the test series. This is what I do in all types of test series. After test series, and we have topic wise, chapter wise, and subject wise test series. Last year, these test series were not ready. But still, so many students, they trusted me, they joined my coaching, and I gave them all test series, and slowly this year package is done, completed properly. Now it's not like only they have compromised with this delay. There is no delay in the sense, on time, like all test series are ready, they have practiced well. Delay means we planned that all topics wise and chapter wise we will finish in the end of November or in the end of October or something. We could not finish that. We finished, I think, recently in the mid of December we have finished that. But anyway, no problem. I realized one more thing. Practicing a test series in the last is more beneficial. What actually some 40 or something, some 60 test series, 60 or 70 test series, they were ready. So they solved in March, April, May month that time. But after that, every day I was making new test series. Anyway, that is different. That was the past scene of 2022. That is done now. We are totally ready with test series, video courses, everything. So now it is much better. I'm coming with much better plan. So you need complete dedication. Now see, I will filter out. Let me recall the things. First thing, what kind of students you are. That is very like how seriously you are taking the gate preparation. That is one thing. Next thing, when to start? In Feb month. Now how to start, what to study, what not to study, this is my responsibility. This is not your responsibility. Once you are into CL, CL means concept library, once you are my student, then you don't have to bother about those things. You only have to bother about one thing, only one thing. Whatever I am giving you homework, whatever I am giving you assignment, whatever I am teaching you, when I am teaching you, you ask your doubts. When I am giving you questions or something, test series, you have to ask your doubts. We have every day complete dedicated slots. When you will take admission, I will explain those things properly, how we have to study. Every day we'll be having, like we have regular classes, right? So you can join me for online. One thing, because of COVID or something, I have decided not to start offline class this year as well, because in offline students will keep the mindset for offline classes, and suddenly the COVID will come, something will come, and preparation will collapse. Then we have to go for online classes. So this year, last year also completely it was online, and online is much better. There are so many advantage of online coaching center. You don't have to waste your money in traveling. You don't have to spend your time in traveling. You don't have to face all the weather situations during traveling, summer, winter, those things, rainy seasons. You don't have to bother about the transport of traveling. You just put one Wi-Fi in your room and you start preparation. That's all. Like this video you're watching on YouTube, how comfortable. In same way, you can be online if you have good internet connection. So the money what you are going to spend on transport, with same money you can take a good internet connection. And other than that, we are safe in online preparation from of lot of things. We are safe from lot of things. No hassle in traveling, no troubles, nothing. Simply, otherwise, there used to be one time when because see, I used to stay one corner of Chennai called Adambakkam and Porur area. These areas were my area. Students used to visit from long places. They used to come from so far places, and they used to spend more than 1.5 hour journey one side. So online is amazing. So online is good. So you can try for any coaching center, either me or any other, but you go for online coaching center. Online is amazing. So like this we will talk. Like this we will talk. You can go to playlist and you can see how I am taking live classes. You will be having so many playlists, right? Go there and you see how I'm taking live classes. Okay. Now what you don't have to do in the entire 1 year of preparation. See, if you are into my coaching center, then I will take care of the content. I will teach you topics, books, everything, whatever is there, whatever is required, that will be my responsibility. You don't have to bother. That's why you're joining the coaching center, because you don't want to put extra effort, what to study, what not to study. Self-study students are having this trouble, what to study, what not to study. If you'll see my comments in previous video, almost in every 2 days, one person will come and drop the comment, sir, tell me the books to prepare structure, sir, tell me the books to prepare propulsion, this, that. I will tell you one thing, even though students are in regular batch, then also after teaching, after regular thing, and after video courses, everything, they have trouble. Then how can you be comfortable with the books? Books are giving you static knowledge. Books will not give you tricks and techniques and shortcuts to drop down different types of problems. Only teacher, a live class can give you that. Okay, in live class you can improve your techniques. In books, actually, see, I'll tell you one thing. If you have experienced or not, I don't know, but I have experienced this. Suppose there is any book you are reading. For example, just an example. Suppose there is a book called Radhakrishnan for gas dynamics. Suppose you are reading the Radhakrishnan, or Zucker for gas dynamics. Any book you are reading for gas dynamics. Then, suppose you are reading okay, take the example of moving shock wave. Suppose you are studying moving shock wave from this book. So study moving shock wave. You will be understanding something and you will take down. How much you have understood, this will depend on what? This will depend not on the book. This will depend on your own thing. because book is having static knowledge. When the same book you will study after 1 month, or when you will revise your topic, that time you will realize that you have learned new things from the same page. And again after some days you will read the book, then again you will realize again you have learned few things. So these things will not happen if you are into the coaching center, because I know things. There is difference between book and teacher. That difference can never be overcome by the books. Okay, so anyway, so what are the things you should not do? See guys, if you don't have money problem, or if you can arrange money somehow, then take this course, take this situation seriously. You are going to prepare for GATE exam. It's not, if you are dedicated student, then you should take admission in coaching center, any coaching center. Go and join, take coaching. You'll be safe side. It's not like, see, this is not the job preparation. This is not UPSC preparation that, okay, for the first few months I will go or something, I will try by. You will not be able to understand anything. You will only be knowing the meaning of the topics. There is something called normal shock wave, there's something called oblique shock wave, there's something called moving shock wave, there's something called bow shock wave. Only the meanings you will understand properly. But again, I am saying, I am totally in favor of self-study. If you are doing self-study, then it depends what kind of student you are. So what will you do? You will type on YouTube, can we crack GATE aerospace exam by self-study? You will be having several toppers and several videos. They will be suggesting you how to do, what to do. But always remember, those videos are not done by average student. Those videos are uploaded by either teachers or view seekers. Like sometimes people upload the video to gain the views, or those videos are uploaded by the toppers. So their mentality, like I said, there are some excellent cases, but you cannot follow them. You always consider yourself as average student. So in my coaching center, I have several types of fees structure. So according to the material, the content, the teaching, the everything what I am providing, so you can refer that and you can go through that. You can go to other coaching centers also. Wherever you find comfortable fee structure or comfortable situation, if it is possible, if the fees structure of any coaching center is not affecting your family economy, or it is not disturbing you a lot, you can compromise with something to arrange fees, then you should definitely go for the coaching center. Because coaching center will reduce your 50% pressure of what you are looking outside. Then you don't have to bother. You'll be having content, everything. Okay, and again, teacher is different, book is different. How much you are extracting from the book, it depends on you. But when teacher is teaching, then it depends on teacher. And I am very comfortable that whenever you are preparing for self-study is the best study. But the problem is you are not preparing for your university exams. You are preparing for GATE exam, and every year now GATE standard is being high. It's being high every year. You cannot think that what paper was there in 2021. Paper was very different than other last year papers. So I'm expecting in 2022 also will be having very good question paper. Very good question paper. Okay. So again, actually see, because I am doing very loose discussion, because if I will not talk, then who will talk about all these things? And they are very genuine issues. So that's why I am coming to all these things, and I have not taken down anything to talk. Because if I, what happens, I have tried this. When I will follow any point, then my talk will not be natural. It will not come from heart. It will be like some artificial talk I am doing. But when I talk like this, my video may be lengthy for 5-10 minutes, or I may divert from here to here, but please don't mind that. Whatever I will speak here, it will add value in your life for sure. Now come to this point. What are the things we should not do? Actually, I'll tell you how you should talk, how you should take my videos. You should take my videos like you are traveling somewhere, in bus or train or somewhere, or you are sitting in any library, or you are sitting somewhere and you found some senior or some person or someone who has qualified GATE exam, and you started asking, sir or ma'am, you please tell me which coaching center I should join, or how should I prepare, I am planning to prepare. So the person will talk like this. So you take my video, the person who is guiding you, they will talk like this. So you take my videos in that way, that I am guiding you something. So in that case my video will may see, right now I can see it is 29 point some minutes, but it's okay. Let it go lengthy because it is only one time talk, right? This should be very good video for you. Okay, but now what are the things you should not do in the entire year of preparation? You should not celebrate any festival. Always keep in my mind, festival already whatever is your age, whether you are 20-year-old, 18-year-old, 19-year-old, 21-year-old, 23, 4, 5, 6, 30-year-old, 35-year-old, whatever older you are, you may be elder than me, and definitely there is more chance you will be younger than me. See, already till this age you have celebrated so many festivals. After this age also you are going to celebrate all these festivals, but in this year you should not you should celebration means, you take my point in that way, you don't take in negative way. Celebration means I am not saying to don't celebrate. I will tell you the drawbacks. See guys, when you are student your lifestyle is different, but once you are thinking that you are going to put yourself into GATE preparation, you are no more student, you are being an aspirant now, and you should know what is the lifestyle of an aspirant. An aspirant can sacrifice everything. You are not a normal human being now. You are being an aspirant, and once you are aspirant your lifestyle changes a lot. You have to do so many compromises, and one thing, it is not about compromise. Your love, your affection, your sincerity, your seriousness level, everything is actually for GATE average space. You will not be able to sleep if you are not able to solve one compressor problem. You will not be able to sleep if you are not understanding how to find out deflection when load is applied here. Everything will be running in your mind. Then whatever festival or small function in family gathering will come in front of you, you cannot enjoy that. This is one thing. Next thing, if you are putting yourself into those functions, actually this year what happens, so many students, they were doing so good, they were regular as well, they were preparing very very well, but they went out with friends. They wasted some 2 to 3 days. Counting wise it looks only 2 to 3 days. So you may say, sir, only 2 to 3 days na? No, it is not about the counting, it is not about the days what you are missing, it is about the irregularity, it is about breaking your preparation track. It is about when you will come back na, then you will realize, oh I have forgot everything. You will feel like it will take so much, because see guys, when you are putting yourself into regular routine, every day you will be learning new thing, and you'll be having positive vibes. You'll be being very confident that yes, I'm doing good and definitely I am going to clear GATE exam and I'm growing. But the moment you take break for 1 day or 2 day or 3 day, and when you go out or whatever you do, you know after that what happens? First thing, negativity comes in your brain. And once the negativity is coming into your brain, then what kind of doctor you want to remove your negativity? Then you will come to me, sir, I went out and now I'm not able to focus. Then first of all I will shout on you. Why did you go out? After 1 year you can go, right? Whatever seriousness. See guys, only give priority to the medical issues. If there is any medical issue in your family, or if there is any medical issue with you, first thing, you should not have any medical issue. First of all, keep yourself very safe. Don't travel anywhere, don't meet any accident, don't do anything, eat well, so that any that kind of issue should not come. When you are an aspirant, you have to compromise so many things. There are so many rules an aspirant should follow. I hope I am able to convey what are the things I am conveying. Okay, so okay, you don't have to do all these things. You have to be like very specific schedule. Very specific schedule means you have to, again it is very popular sentence by me, work like machine, get your result like machine. You remember when you are thinking, when you are planning to prepare for GATE exam, that time your mindset and energy, and you compare this with that day when you are opening the GATE folder, GATE portal, and that is result day, and you are going to enter your roll number and then put enter, and then suddenly your rank will come, some double digit rank, some single digit rank, some beautiful all India rank, what you never realized. Then that day what will happen? Whatever sacrifices you have done, they all will be worth. Your parents will be happy, maybe your mom will cry out of happiness. Maybe you will be shocked that yes, it is possible to become topper. Anyone can become topper. Only because of the routine, only because of the guidance, only because of the effort what you have done for the entire year. I hope everything is going well into your mind. But imagine the same situation when you have done everything. And see guys, again I am saying, story what you should follow, it should be an average story. And on YouTube you don't have average stories. You have topper stock. You have guidance by the toppers. You don't have guidance by an average guy. I consider myself as very good teacher, but I don't consider myself as very good student, because till now in my career I have not got in top 10. My rank is never been top 10 because I do so many mistakes. So I am the perfect person to guide you as a teacher and as a student. As a student, I know what are my weakness points, and as a teacher I know what to study, how to feel the concepts. What is my strength. I can let you to feel any concept from any subject of Gate Aerospace. You will be able to feel that. It's not like to prepare that. Feel that the concept, and once the concept you are able to understand, then you can do any kind of problems. So your concept should be very good, your formula should be very good, you should have done all types of practice. I give PDFs, so you have to solve all those PDFs, solution will be there, and we will discuss them also if you'll be having doubts. Like that, we have proper schedule. Once you will join me, I will give you all the process, like how to worry. From the single day itself, you will feel that you are into very heavy gate preparation. And see, when I say seriousness level, what is your seriousness level? It is not about you have to feel very negative and you have to feel very depressed. Seriousness level is like you have so many work to do related to Gate Aerospace preparation, and when you are assigned with all these works, it will consume your day, it will consume your time. So that's why for different years, like for second year students, for third year students, for final year students, for past year students, I have classified the courses. Second year students, they should prepare minimum for 2 years. Third year students, they should prepare minimum for 2 years. Final year and last year students, they don't have time to prepare for 2 years. So that's why every courses are different, and the work done, what I have to assign you, that is going to be different. Types of courses are different, and like that. So I hope I have conveyed a lot of things. So my major point, I will try to recall. I have done everything or not. What kind of student you are, it matters a lot. And what kind of student I am seeking, I am searching on YouTube. Those students who feel nervous, those students who feel that you are average student or you are below average student. If you are an excellent student, then you can crack Gate exam. If you are extra excellent student, then you can crack Gate exam by self-study. You can take a distance learning program from any coaching center, from my coaching center, and you can prepare by yourself. But you know what? When you are preparing by self-study, it is risk in one thing, the routine. When you are into regular coaching center, then you don't have to bother about the routine. But when you are into the self-study, then routine matters a lot, because your routine depends on you when you are packed into one single room. But when you are gathered by the society, family and something, those are the key factors to disturb your routine. Once your routine is disturbed, then it means you have irregularity, you have your function is continuous, but it is not differentiable. You will study on same day, but the focus level will not be that much. There are so many things, so many factors. I will try to make some 1 or 2 more videos related to such kind of topics, because this video is already being lengthy. So when you will see the thumbnail itself, it will be showing some 40 minutes, then you will not watch, but it contains a lot of good information. So it will be good if you will share this with your juniors or with your friends as well. Okay guys, my name is Vikas Kumar Srivastav. I am aerospace engineer, aeronautical engineer. I have qualified from you may be knowing Aeronautical Society of India, and I have qualified Gate exam 5 times, and I am teaching from last 6-7 years, and my students are sitting into IIT. It is amazing feeling for me, and you are going to be my next student. If it is so, let's meet on WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Don't forget to go to description.